Okay, part 4 action. Now she's cutting. Cut. Now you're watching my mom cut the onion. It's okay if it's a little raggedy. She had a stroke 3 years ago. 5 years ago, actually. She had 3 actually. So here that is. I'm gonna look at the burgers, trying to see if it's been enough time. And now I have to put myself. Alright, it's gonna and that one's done, it's must be done. Then like this, it should be done. And this is where I use this.
And take them out and put them on what?
On the plate.
Nope. Put them back in the skillet. Get you a new plate. Put it back in the skillet. Get you a new plate.
I got a plate. And I put the burger.
Drip some fat off of it. Let some of the grease drip off before you put it on the plate.
Now I have to put the rest of it on.
And then I'll cut them up.
Okay, you're gonna use these mushrooms for this ingredient. You can add as many as you like. And then you have to cut them by the stem. So, let me pause this real quick. So, we have 3 here. That's how much we need. Now, we're gonna do this. We have to wait because this video is almost ending, so bye, wait for part 5.